Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Mint Retrograde solo. First, identify the specific item or achievement you are targeting. Next, research its rarity and the primary methods for acquisition. Finally, gather all required resources, which might include a certain amount of in-game currency or specific crafting materials. This preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Now, let's focus on your acquisition strategy. Actively monitor market listings to ensure you are getting a fair price, avoiding overspending. Participate in community discussions and forums. These can reveal unique trade opportunities or hidden quest lines. Completing specific in-game challenges or quests is often a direct path to earning rare items. Patience is key here. Once you've found a potential source, it's vital to verify the item's legitimacy. Always authenticate the item before finalizing any transaction to prevent scams. Utilize only secure trading platforms or the official in-game systems provided. Furthermore, protect your account with strong, unique passwords and two-factor authentication to safeguard your new acquisition. Security is paramount. Finally, after successfully acquiring your Mint Retrograde solo, focus on its maintenance and display. Store the item securely to preserve its pristine condition, especially if it's a digital collectible. Showcase your achievement proudly within the game's designated areas. Be aware of any ongoing requirements or conditions for ownership to ensure it remains yours. Enjoy your rare find.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.